Oh my gosh, it's so much. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys probably have been wondering why I haven't posted a SheaMoisture video or a box unopening or anything like that. So I'm going to explain that whole dilemma, but I finally got another box. Thank God. You guys don't know what I had to go through to get this box. It's not as easy as just send a receipt. But if this is your first time here at my channel, go ahead and smack that subscribe button. Go ahead and turn on those post notifications so that when I post another video of my next unboxing, you guys are the first to know. Also, go ahead and drop a comment. I really love when you guys comment and converse with me. Yeah, I love it. Anyways, let's get into this video. So, I'm trying to think of how I can explain the situation as fast as I can. I recently relocated because of a situation with my roommates.
And I had my mail forwarded. So I had my mail forwarded March 12th. All my mail was forwarded and it was going to my new location where I live now. So oh God, there's a mosquito. So I received my third SheaMoisture box here, which I'm gonna grab that for you.
All of these, box 1, box 2, were sent to my old address. And this is after I forwarded, so I still had to go to my old address to pick up the boxes and bring them to my new place because the postal service definitely wasn't doing their job with forwarding the mail. But you understand, these things take time. So this third box was received to my new place. So I guess it was just common sense and me making assumptions that if the third box got sent to my new home, that the fourth and fifth box and however many ever after boxes were going to be sent to my new home as well. However, that did not happen. So I got a confirmation email stating that the package was delivered, but it was delivered to 30309, which I don't live in the city of Atlanta anymore. I live like on the outskirts almost. I live in Smyrna. So if you know Atlanta and Smyrna, it's like 15 minutes. Actually 13 minutes away from my old place. That's the distance between the two. I miss that place so much. I had to get my mail forwarded from my old address to my new address, which USPS was sending me through hell. I had to call. I literally had been on the phone with them for about 3 weeks. I've been calling them since June 7th. And I actually just got my box 20 days later. A lot of you may not know that the SheaMoisture Ambassador Competition is also a partnership with Sundial brands and SheaMoisture to get flown out to New York. I'm still determined to make posts and get those points, because every time you make a post you get points, and the points add up, and whoever has the most points or who has a qualifiable amount will be flown out to New York to meet with Sundial's partners and have a dinner with SheaMoisture, and it's just the whole shebang. And I honestly want to be the shebang. I am the shebang. Come on now. I want to win. So life happened. I had to move, and I'm just really upset at the fact that it took so long, and I had to email SheaMoisture like, hey, you know, I moved, I relocated, is there any way you guys can send me out another box? I've been contacting the post office again for about 20 days. I called them 14 times, sometimes on hold for 2.5 hours, and no one ever spoke to me. I had to call back. I will be on hold until they're closed, and I had to get in contact with the supervisor of a carrier and then call another post office and call DC, and I'm just like, oh my God, I had to file so many claims and everything. And the lady tells me, oh, sorry sir, with you moving, the package could have been delivered to your door in Newton, where I lived at. I went to, knocked on the door, no one answered, so I left a note. The guy ended up calling me, and I was like, hey, you know, I used to be a tenant at this location. I was wondering if my mail or my packages had been delivered to you. He said no, he had got one notice and he put it in the return mail, and that he called me if anything, which I really respect him for that. Thank you so much, Tony. Now, what pisses me off is that she basically said that she couldn't help me and that they'll file a claim and that I had to contact SheaMoisture, which I had already done anyway because it had been delivered to the wrong home. Instead it was picked up. I went to all 4 doors at the building where I used to live at just to see if anybody had got the package. No one had received the package, but I mean, if it were me, this package comes in a really nice packaging and it says hello beautiful, which may, if common sense is just like, hey, if you look at the package and you see that it says SheaMoisture, then you know that it's some hair, skin, or body product, so anybody will swipe that up. So that's just the backstory. There's so much more to this story that I wish I could explain to you guys, but yeah, I'm kind of over it. So let's just dive right into the box. Got my blade so I can cut this box open. Ooh, I'm so excited. You guys don't understand how good this feels. I still can't believe that SheaMoisture has chosen me as one of the brand ambassadors to represent them and try out all these products and do different things. And it's just, I'm still so grateful, and to feel like it's been stripped away from me because someone else's mess up, and 2 people actually, the post office and my old roommate, because if things would have just been handled, we wouldn't have ended up in a situation where I wasn't able to receive my packages. And that's just how it goes. But back to the box. I'm so excited. I'm so ready for this. Oh my gosh, it's so much. Got so much stuff to unwrap. What do I what? Uh-oh, did something open? Powder in here. Oh my god, it's so cool. It's a SheaMoisture recipe book, and there's different types of recipes and DIYs you can do, and there's even steps. Oh my god, it's categorized by our story: exfoliate and nourish, cleanse and hydrate, soften and detox, balance and brighten. That is so awesome. This is so creative. It even has steps. Wow, SheaMoisture, you definitely outdid yourself with this one. Oh my god. Let's get into this. Oh god, beauty hack. Face, body, and hair as bentonite clay. Wow. Design your own personalized SheaMoisture mix with the Beauty Hack collection. With 3 simple steps, customize your beauty blend with as many benefits or scents you desire. Take a few scoops of your base, blend it in your pure oils of your choice, and add a few drops of your favorite beauty hack scent. Add a good for you ingredient from your kitchen and kick it up a notch. Discover your perfect mix for your face, skin, or hair. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I got some more coconut oil. I was running out. I've been dying to try something that has matcha in it. So this one's a matcha green tea shot, and this one is a rice flour exfoliant. Get out. Okay, so this rice flour is almost like a facial scrub. Oh, this is dope. It's a little mason jar. I could go ahead and make something and probably just store it in here. That is so cool. Oh look, I have 2 oils, a rose and a eucalyptus. Get out. What? This is $12 at Target. This is the 100% pure grapeseed oil. Okay, so it smells unscented, but I don't care. I can't wait to use it. Oh man, look at this. It's a SheaMoisture product applicator. I've been dying to get one of these. And it says SheaMoisture on the handle. Now, it would have been dope if our names were in it. Oh man. Wow, look at that. If my name wasn't stitched in this would have been a Harry Potter one. I would have been using this. Oh man, so now I can use this to apply my products. Yes. Oh, it smells, I don't think it's scented, but it smells like mint. So freaking cool. Man, that's everything out of this box, but I'm so overwhelmed. So guys, I'm super excited that I finally got my box after waiting so long. I can't wait to dive in. I have no clue of what DIY I'm going to do for you guys, but I know for sure I want to do the hair. I'm going to do a hair and skin one, and I may just do a body scrub as well. So it may be a 3-in-1. Honestly, I'm super excited, and I'm about to go right now and try to do something for you guys. Please stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys so much for supporting me as always. Thank you for asking. Yes, I am still a SheaMoisture ambassador. We just had a little mix up with the shipping and, you know, delivering, and I can't wait to deliver this video to you guys. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Also turn on your post notifications so that when I post a video, you guys are the first to get it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment, show some love, and until next time guys, I am out.